Meaning of horticulture.
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 Horticulture. Horticulture is a branch of agriculture that deals with the cultivation of plants for food, medicinal, and decorative purposes. It involves the application of scientific principles and practices to grow crops and plants in a controlled environment. The goal of horticulture is to produce high-quality and sustainable plant products, while minimizing environmental damage. Horticulturists use techniques such as plant breeding, soil management, pest control, and irrigation to achieve this. It is an important field for food security, biodiversity conservation, and landscape design, and has wide-ranging applications in both rural and urban settings.